The DJI Neo is a cutting-edge drone designed to offer an intuitive and immersive flying experience, and its first flight motion control feature is a standout. This feature allows users to control the drone's movement with natural hand gestures, adding a layer of ease and excitement to flying. Essentially, the drone responds to the direction and tilt of your hand, letting you guide it through the air without needing a traditional controller. In my review, I found the motion control to be surprisingly responsive, offering a smooth and fluid flight experience. It's especially useful for beginners or those wanting to capture dynamic shots with minimal effort. The drone stays stable in the air, even in slightly windy conditions, and the range of motion feels intuitive. You can move it forward, backward, and even adjust altitude just by shifting your hand, making the whole experience feel like you're interacting with the drone as an extension of your own body. On the downside, while it's a fun and novel way to control the drone, there's a slight learning curve to get the gestures just right, and it may take a few tries to feel fully comfortable. However, once you get the hang of it, it makes for an incredibly engaging flight experience. Overall, the DJI Neo's first flight motion control is a game-changer for drone enthusiasts, offering a futuristic and user-friendly way to fly, making it a great choice for those seeking both innovation and ease of use.